Hey everyone, today I've got a tough story to share about Hurricane Helene and its devastating impact on Tennessee. Trust me, it's a heartbreaker, but it's important to understand what went wrong and how we can help those affected. So, let's dive into it. Hurricane Helene has wreaked havoc, and the small town in Tennessee where Impact Plastics is located has been hit especially hard. The flooding was catastrophic, leading to multiple deaths and several missing persons. Among the victims was 56-year-old Bertha Mendoza, a beloved employee at the factory. Bertha's tragic death is just one example of the human cost of this natural disaster. Families are mourning, and communities are left in shock, trying to pick up the pieces. Rescue workers and volunteers are doing their best to locate missing individuals and provide aid, but the full extent of the damage is still being assessed. Now, here's where things get even more complicated. Jacob Ingram, another worker at Impact Plastics, alleges that the management didn't allow employees to evacuate despite the rising floodwaters. According to him, the company prioritized production over safety, and this has sparked outrage and calls for a thorough investigation. Impact Plastics, on the other hand, denies these allegations. They claim that employees were dismissed in time and that bilingual managers communicated evacuation instructions clearly. The company expresses deep sorrow for the loss of their employees and insists they are committed to worker safety. These conflicting accounts have fueled controversy and raised serious questions about the company's safety protocols and communication during the hurricane. Authorities are investigating, and everyone is anxiously waiting to see what the evidence will reveal. In the aftermath, the Tennessee Immigrant and Refugee Rights Coalition has been working tirelessly to support affected families. However, they've faced significant challenges due to language barriers and a lack of clear information. The coalition is striving to overcome these obstacles to ensure all victims receive the necessary support. President Joe Biden has announced plans to visit the Carolinas, which were also heavily impacted by Hurricane Helene. His visit aims to assess the damage and offer support to the affected communities, showing solidarity and highlighting the government's commitment to providing aid. Hurricane Helene's devastating impact serves as a stark reminder of the destructive power of natural disasters. It underscores the importance of preparedness and timely response to ensure the safety and well-being of all affected individuals. So that's the story for today. It's a tough one, but it's crucial to stay informed and support those in need. If you found this video helpful, please share it, and let's keep the conversation going in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and take care.